Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jeet Ki Pathshala. Today we will discuss chapter 3, that is Geography of the World. At the very beginning, today we will discuss 3.1, that is Brief Introduction of the Earth. Let's see some of the important points to remember from this lesson. And point number 1 is the Earth is the only habitat of man. That means Earth is the only place to live for the human being. So let's see point number 2. The total surface area of Earth is 510 million square kilometer. In this image you can see that the total area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometer. Here, with the help of this image you can understand that out of the total area of the Earth, 71% is covered by water while 29% is covered by land. Point number 3 is but only 149 million square kilometer, that means 29% is covered by land. As we know, the total surface area of Earth is 510 million square kilometer, but out of this only 29% is covered by land, which means out of 510 million square kilometer only 149 million square kilometer is covered by land. Let's move toward the next. Now, division of the land surface. So here we will see the division of the land surface, that means the division of 29% of land surface. With this you can understand out of the total surface of the Earth, 71% is covered by water as we know, but here we will discuss about this 29% only. So this 29% is covered basically by continent like Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Oceania and Antarctica. So now let's move to the next page. In this page you will see about the division of water surface. So 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and this 71% is basically covered by Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. That means this 71% part is divided especially among these 5 parts. Now let's see point number 6. Among the continents, Asia and among the oceans, the Pacific are the largest ones in area. So in exam you may get short question regarding the largest among the continent and ocean. So the answer will be Asia is the largest continent while Pacific is the largest ocean in terms of area. Next point is number 7. According to the estimates of 2015, the total population of the world is 730 crores or 7.3 billion. This is only estimates, it's not the exact data. But according to the report of 2015, the total population of the world is 730 crores or you can also say 7.3 billion. Next it is, we know that the topographic character, climate, soil, plants, animals, etc. are different in different places. And we have already discussed in our earlier classes that the topographic character, climate, the type of soil, vegetations, animals are generally different from place to place. As a result, the distribution of population and the man's way of living is also different. Next it is point number 9. The economic condition of a place depends on the natural environment. We know that the economic activities of people living in a particular place depends on the environment that they have. So the place rich in natural resources are generally economically advanced. So those places which are rich in natural resources are also economically developed. On the other hand, many areas having unfavorable natural resources are economically backward. So some places which are rich in natural resources are generally economically advanced, while those areas which are not so rich in natural resources remains economically backward. So these were some important points that you should remember from the part brief introduction of the earth, that is 3.1. Hope you have understood something about the introduction of the earth. And the next topic is distribution of continents and oceans, which we have already covered in our earlier classes. And those who have not watched till now that video, you can click the I button to watch. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching our video.